So when I was working on our livestock project, I mean from Figma to WordPress development project, this one, then I got a challenge. So the challenge was I can see there is, let's move it here. There is two sections here that is dynamic. So the theme sections. So these are the experts from Arbor Livestock. They are listed here as a slider, and they are listed here as stat. But the, both of them are coming from same source. So the same man here, same man here. So obviously these are the dummy images right now, as this is a design I am showing you from Figma. So you can see it's from Figma. So while I was developing this part, so I thought why not to put together them in a custom post type so that user can easily edit and delete and update whatever they want. I mean they can manage it easily from the backend. So according to my thinking procedure, I proceed with the custom post type in WordPress. So let me first show you the front end, and then I will going to explain how the edit in the backend work in front end. So we can see the theme are here in two pages, that is about and the theme page. So let's go to the about page. On the about page later, we can see these are the slider. This is working slider, and this website is live on my subdomain. So arbor-livestock.talhatonmoy.com/about. So this is about page. And if I go to the theme page right now, so this is the theme page where all of the experts are listed. So where they are coming from? So they are coming from, if I go to the WordPress dashboard, I set an section that is called experts. So this is called custom post types in WordPress language. So let me just be easier for you guys to understand. So this is the a menu where we can register, add new, edit or delete our experts, and all of the changes here will be reflected to our theme page and about page. So it will basically edit in a single place, and all of the changes will be reflected in two places. So let's make an edit here. So if I go to about page and say Dorothy Bailey is updated, so then the name has updated text, so I want to remove that. The theme page has the same text, so I want to remove this updated part. So I have to do is I have to go to our admin dashboard, then click on expert. See, we can see the first one is our target, so Dorothy Bailey. So we can just click on edit here. For detail updates, if I click on edit here, then I will get a total control to update. So let's delete it and edit it here. So open in a new tab. So you can see the name is coming here. This is the description and this is the designation. So let's change the name from here and add a designation, claims manager updated, or let's say claims manager 2. And from here, if I click on expert, we can set the expert images from here. So after removing the text from here and adding a new text here, just click on save. All right, so we have updated the expert. So we will visit it from on our theme page and about page. So let's click on the theme page and let's refresh the page. We can see the updated part is here. So all of the updates reflecting here. So this one, all of the parts are reflecting here. The same thing is for our about page. If I click on refresh, we can see that the name is updated and the designation is updated as well. So my goal was in this challenge to provide the most easiest way to manage this theme section on for the user. So this is now in a way that if you have a uh, if you have a basic technical knowledge, so you can easily update it from here. Moreover, I also told the client that if they need, I will provide a walkthrough how to manage this expert from here, but uh, they don't need that because they are well enough to maintain these steps. So that's the way basically I try to solve problems and make it easier for users to handle. Thank you so much.